Sitting here waiting for the contractors who are going to install the cover over the fire pit. It's a big giant carport basically. We have one at our other property, so we're having one installed here, and so those guys are on their way up. We're supposed to do it tomorrow morning early, but they called and had a dropped appointment, so I hauled out to the property here as fast as I could and just barely beat them, I think. So we're going to drive them in about 4:30, so sun's about to go down, but they said that was no problem. They'll fire up their generators, turn on their lights, and go at it. So I don't know how much video footage I'll get because it could be too dark, so we'll try and see what we get, and if not, I'll show it to you in the daytime and you can at least see what they did. So I'm excited, but just got here and hanging out waiting.
Shamrock Creek.
Well, oh, it's getting kind of dark. Here we go up the hill. They got a nice big 1-ton dually truck pulling a 30-foot trailer with everything on it, so no sweat getting up here, I don't think. So we'll see how he does. Okay, they started working, so I'm gonna see if I can set up a couple cameras and at least get some footage while there's still some daylight.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.
Ooh, brisk chilly morning. The guys working on the fire pit cover didn't finish last night. Got really dark and really cold, so they asked if they could come back in the morning. I said sure, so I stayed up here overnight in the cargo trailer and cranked up the heat, hung out, and enjoyed the quiet.
One, two, three, four. 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 One, two, three, four.
So, as we had talked about previously, the fire pit cover is all done, as you probably just watched the time-lapse video of them putting it in. They did come back this morning and finish it up. So this was a structure we've always wanted to have. We have one of these at another property where we have a fire pit area in the northwest. It rains a lot, especially in the spring and winter. So it's nice to have a covered area so you can still sit around the fire and enjoy it and not get wet. So we put another one in similar to the one we have here, so we can do the same thing. So as now you can see the dirt area, there's the pad that we just talked about previously where the cabin's going to go. But fire pit area here, we had the excavation done to kind of dig this out and level it up, because before this sloped off really quickly and we wanted to be able to have the building level. So there's a little bit of a slope there for drainage. This would eventually wash away, so we are going to plant a whole bunch of stuff here. Water catchment tanks probably will go down below here, kind of down out of the sight line. When you're in the fire pit area, you have a really good view out the end. So plan will be to grass all this as soon as we can get some grass seed down. It would probably germinate now. It'd probably grow, but it's a little cold, so we might just wait till spring or February or so and dump a bunch of grass seed down like we did on the other side and get that growing really quick. So anyways, we're super excited. So now we're going to put the fire pit ring in, get some grass planted, and we can start enjoying it. This isn't the type of structure we wanted to do ourselves. Working with this kind of metal and steel is just something I have no experience with and did not feel like standing out here in the cold and doing. So it was easier to pay somebody. But when you order these kind of things, they're basically like carports. When you order them, the installation's just included in the whole package. So we just went ahead and did that because we had done it before and it worked great and I didn't have to deal with it. So as much as we want to do things ourselves, this was definitely not something I think we were going to do